At dito natin makikita kung gaano ka-importante ang media noong 1986 revolution na kailangan malaman muna ng tao kung ano nangyayari bago sila kumilos.
Yes, generally it was a battle for popular and secular support. A battle for support of forces that were in the middle. That was the fence sitting. And it was waged that way. Like a card game, there was a lot of bluffing.
That although, as it turns out, Marcos was telling the truth, sira ng kanyang kredibilidad dahil sa paulit-ulit na pagsisinungaling niya noong nakaraan.
That is quite clear. In spite of any result of constitutional convention, I have intention of running for a term. And don't you think that 2 terms is enough for any man?
So, galit na galit siguro si Marcos sa Radio Veritas.
Talaga. Kaya ilang beses niyang inutos na sirain ang mga transmitter.